All right, so this is TaskFlow. I'm in the login page. First off, I want to make sure that our convex database is clean, pure. There's no form of entry. Okay, we've not made any query yet, so it's just fresh. Now we want to sign in for the first time. Next thing, we'll choose our sign in option. In this case, I'm going to be signing with Google account. I have a list of users that have signed in, but we're just going to choose one. So it authenticates and it asks us whether or not we want to proceed. So this is the page. We can choose from various categories and we can chat with AI. So for example, if you want to collaborate with your team and you don't know how to make a task to be done, you can actually use the AI feature. So let's add a task like a to-do list for business. I want to make simple memo for the pitch. Okay, so when we add this to do, it actually brings up a graph and it adds this to do. I want to make a simple memo for a pitch. The next thing that we'll see is our bar. Whenever we achieve this to do, it will rise up and we just have to click here. So if you go to your convex, we'll see our new entry, which is this. We used a method of concatenation, so it can easily, on the client side, it filters off the data when that's the encryption method. It filters off the data. So you can see here, I want to make my business. So let's go ahead and add more entry. Go. Right. So another to do we have is go to the HR. So if you come here, we see go to the HR is actually added to our list. So whenever we click on achieve to do, you can see here that this actually comes up as something that I've achieved. And if we click it again, that's twice. So we see that all our to dos have been achieved. We can do the team collaboration. So here's how the team collaboration works. We, for instance, press a team name, maybe team success, right? For example, team success. Now we'll create that team. We see the name of our team on the screen. Now, whenever we put a task, maybe let's use a different one now, education, read all courses. Okay, so when we add this task on education, read all courses, we get this task concatenated with success. So everybody in team success actually sees this task. Now we'll go back to our convex database. This has been added, but we notice that there's a success that has been added. So that's to tell us that okay, it's only people that in team success that sees this data. Let's use the first one as example. How to write a good memo. So wait for the response to come from Gemini server end, and we get the response. We actually use this